Hello, and welcome to yet another class. Today we are going to paint a simple autumn landscape. So these are the materials I'll be using. That's my custom color palette, which has different colors. Then comes Zenithia, which is my most favorite brand. And the brushes I'll be using for this class will be size number 8 round brush from Silver Black Velvet, and of course flat brush from Artists Art. Let's talk about the book we are using. I will be using a book from Ayush Paper. It's 270 GSM 100% cotton watercolor book. It's an absolutely great book. It has got nice texture. I really want you guys to try this book out. I'm sure you guys are gonna fall for this book. So I have already taped down my paper here. So today we'll be painting something similar to the picture which I showed you right now. So let's have a simple sketch for that. I have mentioned everything in the description box below. Don't forget to check that. So here I have already completed my sketch, and I'm applying a clean coat of water to the sky region first. I'm leaving the mountain over there. I have loaded my brush with cerulean blue or citrus blue, which you can use any blue, whichever you have. Whichever blue you have, that's totally fine. You just apply that. So here on the top region, I'll make it as dark as possible. I want a darker consistency over there, and while coming down, I will make it as lighter as possible. So let's do that. Now the sky is done. Now we'll wait for it to completely dry. Yeah, it has completely dried. Now we are applying a clean coat of water to the mountain, and to paint the mountain I'll be using indigo color. So if you want, you can make it as a snowy mountain. So here I'm keeping it as what should I say, a gradient wash of the indigo, I might say. It will be darker at the top region, and when it coming down, it will be lighter in color. So let's do that. It's an indigo color from White Nights. I really love that color. Now I have cut a masking tape below the book because I want an angle for the painting. Now I'm applying Indian yellow to the bottom region of that mountain. It is a foliage part. So I have applied a little bit of green over there, then comes orange. Let's apply it. It really looks wonderful, right? I'm already loving it. Now let's apply a little bit of burnt sienna to the bottom region of the foliage. Now I have taken a clean water onto my brush and I'm just dragging it along that bottom region to the bottom of the foliage part. It's just that I just wanted the color to spread down so that it looks like reflection. That's the main aim there, and I'm sure it's gonna look like reflection only. Now that the foliage part is done, we'll do the water region. So for that, I'm applying a clean coat of water to that bottom region now. Now I'm loading my brush with Halo Blue. You can use any blue, whichever you have. Let's apply it to the bottom region. So here I'm going to be touching to the part where we have made that reflection. Let us keep it the same way because I really don't want to ruin that. It looks really amazing, right? So now we'll paint the water. So that's indigo. It looks plain right now, so we'll add more colors to it. Let's do that. Now let's wait for it to completely dry. Once it is dried, we'll add little bit of white color or white lines to the water. You can use white gel pen if you have that. Actually, I didn't bring that. I'm in my hometown and I forgot to bring my white gel pen, so I'm using a brush here and I'm painting it using white gouache. You can use white gouache, white watercolor, white gel pen, anything is fine. It's just that we need very thin lines, very thin, it should be very thin, not a thicker line, we need a very thin lines. Here you go. So here I won't be adding any more foliage to it. If you want, you can add a branch coming from the right side or maybe from the left side. Some branches, and you can color it using yellow, orange, red or blue, or green, any color. You can do that, but I'll be stopping it right here. That's it. I'll remove the masking tape. Wow, it really look amazing. It's very simple, and simple is the best sometimes, right? And I really hope you guys enjoyed painting along it with me. Thank you for watching this video. Do give it a try, and if you're sharing it in your social media, don't forget to tag me. My Instagram ID is @septemberflower.in. Thank you for watching this video once again. Have a nice day.